Tell our art friends what we're going to draw today.
A zombie.
A zombie. Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's going to be awesome. We hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to try to keep this lesson nice and easy, especially for young artists. How old are you?
7.
7. We hope you have a marker, some paper, and something to
Color with.
at the very end. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to draw our zombie's mouth right in the middle of our paper. So right about here, we're going to draw a backwards C shape. We're going to draw like this because we're going to draw him with his mouth open like he's going to attack somebody. So we draw it right here in the center. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw his tongue. And we're going to draw it kind of like the mummy. We're going to draw a sideways U that comes out like this and then back in. Then we're going to draw his crazy teeth. We're going to draw U shapes that are right here on the top of his mouth, and I'm going to draw one down here on the bottom.
Okay.
Good, and then one on the bottom, upside down U. Perfect. Now we can also, I'm going to draw a line that connects the tooth to the tongue, and then I'm going to draw a line that's in between the teeth at the top.
Okay.
Yeah, and then let's color in the right side, but we want to make sure that we don't color in the teeth and we don't want to color in the tongue. So we're just going to color that top part and also this bottom part underneath. Does that look like a cool mouth, huh? Like
Yeah.
a zombie mouth?
Mm-hmm.
You'd make a good zombie. Now we're going to draw our zombie's eyes. We're going to draw a circle. I'm going to draw a circle right here on the right and a circle over here on the left. And we want them to be the same size. Or they could be different. I kind of drew them different. Ooh, that is a big eye. I like it. And this one could be a little smaller. That would make him look crazy. Oh, good. Now on the top right, let's draw another circle that's smaller inside. And this is for the highlight to make his eyes look shiny. Yeah, and then one more over there. Then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little circles white. When we fast forward, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video to take extra time to finish the step. You ready to keep going?
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw the bottom of our zombie's head. And I'm going to draw a curve that comes underneath like this, around to the other side, and back up. Looks like a U. Big, wide U.
Yeah.
Oh, your zombie head looks awesome. Now we're going to draw a little bite out of his head. It looks like he got bit, and that's what turned him into a zombie. So because zombies like brains, they usually bite heads with skulls. Okay, we're going to draw 3 U's. Watch this. We're going to draw one like this, and then we're going to draw another one, and then we'll draw one more. So 3 U's connected to each other. So we could draw one U to there. Then we draw another one. We could draw it to there. Then we're going to draw one more U connected to there. Now let's draw the top of his head. We're going to draw a curve that comes over and connects to the right side. So you start right there and then draw a curve that comes over top of his head. Now we got this shape of our zombie's head. Let's add a few more details. I'm going to add eyebrows. I'm going to draw like he looks concerned. Then let's draw his ears. I'm going to draw a C over here and a backward C on this side. Then inside of his ears, we could draw a little, like a 6. Backward 6 and frontward 6. Yeah. All right, now let's draw his brains. I'm going to draw a curve, a bumpy line. It looks like 3 U's, upside down U's right here. Watch. 1, 2, 3. That's his brain sticking out of his head. Yeah, keep going. You did it. And then you could connect it right there. Now let's give him some hair. And we're going to draw crazy hair. I'm just going to draw little wiggles coming out of the top of his head. Your zombie's looking awesome. Keep going. Couple more. Ooh, long hair. I like it. What should we draw next?
His body.
His body. We're going to draw a big U underneath his chin. Yeah. Then let's add his legs. And this is a lot like the mummy. We're going to draw two lines that are bent right next to each other. That's for one leg. And then we're going to draw two more bent lines on the other side going the other direction. That's for his other leg. Yeah, right next to each other. There you go. And one more. Then we're going to draw two lines on the other side bent the other direction. Yeah, and then one more right next to it. It looks like he's got four legs.
Yeah.
We're going to draw a foot down here at the bottom. So we're going to draw another curve on each side that comes out. This is for his toes.
Okay.
Yeah, and then one on the other side. Going the other direction. Then we're going to start at the bottom. And we're going to draw the bottom of his foot curving around and into the other line. So start right here. Curve up into the second line. Yeah, and do the same thing on the other side. There's his feet. All right, let's draw his arms. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a bent line. So it looks like the letter V. Then we're going to draw another bent line right underneath it. Yeah, and then we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. Two bent lines right next to each other. Repeat the same steps. Good, and then one more underneath it. And this is for the bent part is for his elbow. Good, you did it. All right, now let's draw his hand over here on the right side. We're gonna draw it looking like he's grabbing onto something. Or he's reaching to claw something. We're gonna draw an upside down U. And then curve back around for the finger. Good. Now let's do a U shape for the thumb. This is for this part. So we'll do a U right here. And then curve back around for the rest of his thumb. Okay, let's add two more fingers on the top. So we're going to draw, it looks like a swirl. We're just repeating that same step. So start right there and come around for his second finger. Yeah, come down and then curve back in. Yeah, and then we're going to draw one more right next to it for his little finger, pinky finger. Yeah, he looks like he's clawing something. So it almost looks like you're drawing a 6, backwards 6. Yeah, you did it. Perfect. I love his little hand, man. You did a great job. Now on this side, let's skip drawing a hand and let's make it look like somebody ate his hand.
Okay.
Okay? So let's draw a zigzag line for the end of his hand, or end of his arm. And we're going to draw a bone sticking out of it. Let's draw two lines sticking out. And then we're going to draw the letter 3 for the end of his bone. It's gross. Somebody ate his arm. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we missing?
His clothes.
His clothes. He kind of looks like a naked zombie. Let's add his shirt. I'm going to draw a zigzag line. A messy zigzag line for the bottom of his shirt. So it looks like it's torn. Then we can also add a messy line for his sleeves on both arms. Zigzag messy line. Then let's also add messy line for the bottom of his pants or his shorts. And then we could also add boots. There you go. Let's draw a line for the bottom of his, or the top of his shoes. And if we want, we could also add, let's add the bottom of his shoes right here. So add another layer underneath his shoe. And we could also give him shoelaces. Let's draw one curve that comes down on the top of his shoe. We could add 2 if we want. There we go, shoelaces. You want to add one more? You could add another one on the other side. Yeah. All right, dude, we did it. We finished drawing our zombies, and yours looks awesome. You can be super proud, Austin. Now, we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our zombies. They're going to look so much better colored in. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, good job on drawing your zombie. It looks so much better colored in. I hope our art friends are gonna do the same thing and color their drawings too. So you guys can pause it to match the same color. You could also add other things in the background. What could they draw in the background?
People running away.
People running away, that would be cool. You could also draw more zombies. You could change the details on the other zombies to make them look different. You could also draw blown up buildings and that would make it look scary.
Yeah. We hope you have fun drawing your zombies.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.